You are welcome in the class of physical education for class 12th, unit 7, physiology and injuries in sports part 2. In this unit, we will discuss about the some concept of sports medicine through the various definitions. So the definition, before the definition, we should clear the meaning of sports medicine. Sports medicine means, as you know, it is related to the sports or games field, and a person or a sports person is injured while performing the games and sports, then it is called the sports injuries. So through the definitions we have tried to know about the meaning and concept of the sports medicine. According to the Soros, it is the branch of medicine. As you know, just I told you, sports medicine is the branch of medicine concerned with the treatment of injuries or illness resulting from athletic activities. Means that injuries which are related to the sports or games activities, or while performing the games or sports activities, the individual can occur from the any injury, that is called the sports injury. So that is the branch of medicine concerned with the treatment of injuries or illness resulting from athletic activities. Next one definition is given also according to the Webster College Dictionary. It is branch of medicine, same like that, and concerned with athletic conditioning and nutrition. So whatever the sports or games, while the performing the games and sports activities, the sports person who is the injured while performing the sports or games activity, then that athletic condition and nutrition, the treatment and prevention of athletic injuries and the improvement of athletic performance, then through the sports medicine or through the injuries while performing the games and sports activities, the condition of the sports person and nutrition, the treatment and prevention of athletics injury, and as well as the improvement of the athletics performance. That is the motto, or that is the aim of the sports injuries. So through this definition we are able to know regarding the concept of the sports medicine. Thank you.